Welcome back to my daily analysis videos with me, Japan Market Analyst at Hantec Markets on Thursday, 10th of August. Looking at cable now, what we have seen is cable continuing to slide lower, as the euro is really, but I think the euro is a little bit more steady in its slide lower. But cable is sort of posting these candles which have now taken it below the 30 big figure to 30.50 sort of support band really, and that has opened up this low. 29.30, that low from late July. Had an initial look at it a couple of days ago, 29.50, and another sort of move to 29.50 today. So that is obviously very near term, a level that the market is watching. But a break below 29.30 seems to be, or certainly a test of it, but that would then open 28, sort of 28.08, which was that early July low. And I think we're going to get a test of these two levels, like certainly going to see 29.30, but maybe even 28.10. You see these momentum indicators. RSI is now below 50. That is low since sort of late June. MACD lines having crossed decisively lower. As I said, that is the first time that's been happened really since May, and that was a time at which the market then sort of went into this sort of 6-week corrective move. So I think the prospect of a corrective side continues to sort of take shape really. But just sort of zooming out, you can see that the market is just effectively unwinding this sort of creep higher of sort of higher lows, and I think you could see a move back towards 28 figure within that and still be fairly positive. That is sort of where the longer term indicators start to come in of support. 27.75 was that big key breakout. I think that's a perfectly possible sort of support area for the next higher low to be seen. But I think this is still just an unwinding move. Yes, you've broken that uptrend, but I think it's just an unwinding move, and you'd still be sort of fairly positive on a medium-term basis that the support is going to maintain, and this is just going to be a sort of a near-term corrective slip. Now, we have seen on the hourly chart this sequence of lower highs, that 30.50 area of old support is now coming in as resistance. 30.60 was sort of the highs the other day on a Monday, but I think the market is sort of testing to the downside. You can see the configuration of the momentum now failing. It's below 60 on the RSI, failing below neutral on the MACD lines. It all sort of points towards lower highs, lower lows, and selling into strength near term, and I think that's going to continue. So I wish you good luck in your trading, and I'll speak to you later. Thank you.